the gut is the dirtiest part of your body. Why is that so? Because the food from outside enters your body, carries many bad bacteria. How is that so? Because when food is exposed to the air, a lot of bad bacteria are floating around. Right? Actually, when we take a lot of all these kind of things, actually we are harming our body. So the main reason that why we must maintain good, healthy gut is because our good bacteria must be more than your bad bacteria. But our body have natural antidotes to get rid of it. It's probiotic. But if your ingestion of food, if your ingestion of food that's too high in harmful bacteria, your natural production of antibiotics cannot cope. So you'll be present with problems of diarrhea, irritable bowel syndromes, gastric, poor digestions. You see, between the stomach and the intestine, various Lactobacilli and harmful bacteria coexist. Harmful intestinal bacteria increases with age. So as we age, all right, our immune system goes down. And mind you, the gut, the immune system represent 80% of the immune system is from the gut. So you must look after your gut very well, right? Not just taking a probiotic, you must maintain a healthy lifestyle. Okay. So what does this effect on good probiotics do to our body? It plays a helpful role in intestinal environment. Lactobacillus living in a mucous membrane produces lactic acids. Lactic acids able to so-called destroy or neutralize the harmful bacteria. This helps to restrict the growth of harmful bacteria which cannot endure acidic environment, while increases the helpful bacteria that thrive well in acidic environment. This makes the intestine healthy. So why is Atomy Probiotics 10 Plus special? Because of what they have inside, and all these different kind of probiotics help in to lower levels of harmful bacteria, can be found in the breast milk, settle in the digestive tract, acid and heat tolerance, increased lactic formation of kimchi. All these different kind of probiotic does help in our body health. So here, for those recommended user, people who want to maintain good intestinal health, people who experience irritable bowel movement, children and youth that need to strengthen the immune system, people with bad breath. So in case you come across people with bad breath, please to suggest them taking probiotic. People looking for tasty and easy to use probiotic. People who wants to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Okay. And people with irregular bowel movement due to unhealthy eating, with unhealthy bowel due to the stress and bad eating habits. You see, bad eating habits, because a lot of people just swallow their food without even chewing their food properly. So it gives a lot of stress to your gut system, the stomach, to digest it. So people who have trouble digesting dairy products, people who experience indigestion due to lack of physical activities. As you can see, there are a lot of obesity people around. People who constipation due to irregular eating and living habits. In this stressful environment in Singapore, a lot of people are not taking their health seriously. People who sit for a long period of time. So these are part of the things that we can suggest to people to use the probiotic effectively to maintain the good health, the gut health. So how does our Atomy probiotic comes in? Also in a form of one box, there's about 60 sachets. It costs about $42.30. All right, yeah. So have you all been taking probiotic daily? Have you all been recommending to people around you to take the probiotic daily? All right. This is what we must do to spread the good news about the good products that the company is having. All right, indeed, they go around the whole world getting good quality products for us to consume, at the same time to share with people around us. So next and the most important one, which I think is the Rolls Royce brand of the company, is the Hemohim. Indeed, I get to like Hemohim very much because of the research and technology been involved in doing it. Hemohim is not meant for the public actually, because of the scientists, the top scientists that involved in the project, government project, develop cancer. So the government decided to form it as a national project, 8 years. So they bring in about 10 over top PhD scientists. They think of a way of how to use the 3 important herbs, like for example, the Angelica, the Pioneer, and the Xuanxiong. These are the herbs that they get together. But with nuclear technology, they are able to separate the herbs and come into a form called Hemohim. Okay. So immunity refers to the ability to recognize and destroy pathogens, such as viruses or bacteria, when they enter our body. In other words, the ability to protect our body from harm. How does the functional health supplement related to immune system help us? They increase the number of immunocytes to enhance their functions and help destroy harmful pathogen, distorted cells, to reduce unwanted immune reaction. So with this formulation, it is from the food and biotechnical team